Good morning, everybody, my Benzinga family. What's shaking, bacons? I want to show you a couple of trades that set up early this morning. We are being very patient, waiting for things to set up. I want to show you Tesla, guys, that a spot we've been waiting for. Insane that it happened this morning. Down from $800, okay? We had a level at 579.30. 579.30. Look what the stock did this morning. Broke it by less than $1 and went up 20 bucks. So a bunch of people in my room got that trade pre-market and they're out of it now. They made like $15 on it. Wackadoodle. Palantir is a stock we tweeted out this morning to start a swing trade at $16.50. Got to like $16.35. Told people to sell a little bit up here, and now we're waiting. Adam, let me know. I can get you into the room. We'll talk about it before I leave. Remind me. So Palantir, we're in a little bit. Tesla was a great trade. Mara, guys. I want to show you Mara. We had a little pivot point down here at $22.30. Got to $22.15 and gave a dollar trade off that already. So a few trades that lined up pre-market. Room got a bunch of them already. And now we're just hanging. We're going to wait. I got some swing trades out there that if stocks get really bagel schmeared from here, we're going to look at. Labu we're looking at. BNTX, we have a level all the way down at 174.50, which is $12 away from where we are right now. I got a little order out in that. If we spike down 12 bucks, we'll start taking a peek. NVAX. Yeah, well, we have a daily level in NVAX. And again, we only have a marker out in that at 130. But if we go weekly, 130.50 is a level in NVAX. 130.50. So that's why I put out a little marker down at 130. Again, that'll be a far from moving average trade. We're not committing. I love 127. If we get down there, that would be fine. Yeah, guys, I'll get everybody straightened out as far as the room is concerned. Don't worry about it. Yes. So let's put a little order out in BNTX. There's something small to have out there. NVAX, I mean. If we spike down to that 127.50 level, we'll certainly take a peek there. So everything in the morning we take nice and slow. Spiders, we have a very big level coming up in the spiders. We kind of bounced off that. Bounced a little from the lows. Yeah. Big level on the spiders was down to 410.55. That is our daily. It's actually weekly. I'll show you guys. Weekly 9 EMA, which would just be a nice normal pullback, but don't look like we're getting there either. So we'll see what happens. I got a marker out in the spiders if we do spike all the way down there. Watching Donkey Kong. Soxel. Yeah, Soxel 26.40 could be a swing trade, Sally. So let's put that out. I like that. We'll put a real order out in Soxel at 26.40. It's not going to get there, but some things are really setting up for nice swing trades now, guys and gals. Some of the stocks that are getting really smacked down. All right, guys, give them a little Palantir at 17.50. All right. Boom, shakalaka laka. $1 this morning on the trade. We missed NVAX by $1. No way. It still can get that. Yeah, it almost got to 130, went straight up $2. All right, I definitely like that 127. If we get down there. Oh, we just missed it. Holy Palantir, guys. Started at 18.20 yesterday. Sell some. Wow. All right, selling Palantir up here. at 18.20. Oop, I just bought some. That was pretty stupid. Come on. All right. Great job in Palantir, guys. Wow. What a swingy. NVAX at 130. All right. Let's wait. I really like that 127. So 127.50 NVAX. We start looking. All right. NVAX. Let's go. We're going to look for a far from moving average trade now. We bought a tiny bit at 127.50. All right. Adding an NVAX at 125, guys. Sell stock at 129 and above. NVAX. NVAX just got to 129. Nice. We'll look far from moving average trade, 125 and lower. Bye, Booby. All right. Bought a little at 125. Just add a tiny bit at 124, guys. Again, go nice and slow in this one. Add 10 shares every $2. We will get a nice bounce in this at some point. And a little more at 123. And a little more at 122. Just keep it small. Start selling NVAC over 124, guys. Sold a little at 124. We tried to sell a little at 124. Sold a little at 124. Let's get out 124.60. 124.60, 125.20. If we go in that direction. Sold a little at 124.20. I think we get out around 125, guys. If we get there. Trying to get out of the balance at 125. Let's see what happens. We'll buy some back below 120. Just keep it small. Big spread. A little out at 120 if we get there. Out at 125. Nice. Great trade, guys. Just keep it small. You can trail a little bit now. See what happens. I think you can get back to 127, 128. Cancel the lower bids. All right, let's see what happens. Daily go on NVAX, going back to bed. Nice, Terry. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. Great sales in Palantir. Everybody should have been flat Palantir up at this 18, 18.20. Let's just move on. All right. 16.50 to 18 in one day is a beautiful trade. All right. Let's cancel all our orders. Yeah, I think you can get 127, 128 in NVAX. So anything around 127, I would take the money and run. Baidu. Whoa, Baidu. Holy mackerel. What do we got? 182.70. Baidu short. Yes. All right, I'm getting there, guys. Baidu 182.70 short. Space halted on the way up. Nice. Man, someone bought some of that in the room this morning. The only thing I'm pissed off about in Palantir is I couldn't buy it for my IRA. But again, that was a longer term trade, so very nice. Very nice in Palantir. No, don't be scared to play with the. We're just trading. Don't worry about it. Don't be scared. Ooh, nice move in space. BTX coin and Baidu. We got Baidu. BTX. I don't know. If BTX bounces from here, you're probably okay. Keep your eyes on it. Coin. Yeah, I mean, coin's not even back to where it was yesterday. Let it set up a little bit. Oh, BTX. I'm sorry. You know this thing is wackadoodle, right? Could be a good short at 34.50 though. In BTX. Yes, Melissa. If it got there fast, be a decent short. Yeah, I can help you with that, Adam, in a little bit. Plug ripping up. Yeah, all these things got crushed. Palantir, Plug, JMI, all these things, and now they ripped up this morning. Yeah, I mean, Plug almost gave a little short at 20 bucks, right? All right. Well, Palantir was the swing trade of the century, guys. Holy crap. Up $2 from 16.50. SQ. I mean, I don't want to let these things settle in a little bit. I'm not in a hurry to go in and short these things now. You know, let them set up a little bit. I mean, SQ is probably a better buy, right? Yeah, Palantir is a trend trade now. Absolutely. Wow. 1924 could be a little short in Palantir. I hate to short it, though. We still have some left long, but that could be a little short. I'm in 5,000 shares of Palantir from 16.50. Well, start taking some profits. Gewelt. Yeah, I mean, again, Tesla's a better buy than sell. It's up 30 points on our level this morning. NVAX out at 128.50, Roy. Very nice. Nice job in NVAX, guys. Yeah, I mean, you know, we did it the proper way. That was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look, the people in my room had a lot more than 40 shares of NVAX. I would definitely take some profits in Palantir, Lou. If we get to the 1924, take a little profits. You're long 5,000. It's up 2 points. Baidu just missed. No, I still like Baidu short, guys. Let's leave it for a couple of minutes if we spike up to 1870. Roy, you had 3,000 shares of NVAX? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Jeez Louise. Insane. Guys, I think the room hit for a couple of $100,000 this morning. Now, look, keep in mind, I have some traders who trade big size. You know, 2,000, 3,000 shares is big size. Look, Palantir, we short at 2041. All right. It's a better buy. I want to buy Palantir on a pullback. If we get down to 18, we want to buy. But 2040, we start shorting it. Lou, I don't care how much Palantir you have. At 2040, I would be out of most of it. Okay. You're talking about $4. 2670 is the short in Mara. 2670 is the short in Mara. I am shorting Palantir, guys. at $20.40. And I'm going to be a little aggressive. For me, 200 shares. Cancel Baidu. That ain't happening. Let me look at Vuzi. V-U-Z-I. Long at 17.29. Should I buy the dip or get out? Oh my God. You should have been adding to it, Susan. If you're long at 17.29, you got to add to that trade. Just think about it. If you added at 13, you'd be in the money right now. But no, I would not sell now. Hang out. It's just starting to get a little leggy poo-poos. But you got to add. If you're in trouble in a stock like that from 17, you got to buy more stock. Right? 17, 13, your average is 15. Boom. You're in the money. But I would hang out a little bit now, see what happens. Tesla strong like bull. Yeah, well, it's only up 40 points from our spot. 620 is a short in Tesla, guys, for a trade. 620. Isn't it amazing, guys? Amazing that Tesla hit our freaking level and it's up 40 points from 580. That's insane. Those opportunities don't come on very often, right? A lot of people are stuck in Facility and Riot and Mara and all those things. No. All right, guys. Roblex short 69.50, right? Yes. Roblex short 69.50. That would be a little stretchy poo-pooed. Do it. Can I short Roblex? Yes. Keep going, Palantir. Let's go. You know, Tesla is a tough stock to trade, but the level to short to try is around 620. Let's call it 620. Earlier, we're saying, what does Palantir do? Who cares what it does? Do you think I care what Palantir does? I don't care what any stocks do. I just want to trade. I could care less. Palantir I happen to like long term. That was the spot. Yeah, what are you thinking Baidu, guys? 185? I kind of like that. Spiked right up there. Again, we canceled the Baidu earlier. I didn't like it. It didn't get there fast enough for me, but I think 185 is good. Yes. See, everything moves very quickly here. Some trades I like, some trades I don't. We cancel if it gets close. That's what day trading is about. You're in, you're out. You're not married to anything. I shorted space on the 200 EMA. 1640. All right, see what happens. I like 1740 in space. If we go in that direction. 1740 in space would be a nice short. If we get there. But again, it's space. How much are you going to make on it? 30, 40 cents? You know what I'm saying? Yes, Buffalo. Today was the first day I recommended Palantir in a year, 6 months. And the price we got in is $16.50. Look at the low it made this morning. $16.35. Today was the first day I tweeted it out to everybody in my room early this morning, and a lot of people took advantage of it. At $16.50. NVAX, wow, 130 NVAX. Holy mackerel. Insane. Julia, just keep your eyes on my order box, please. If I don't have an order up there and something, just cancel it, okay? Look, buy it. If you got into the Baidu, just buy it back. You know, you could have bought it back unchanged, right? Yeah, guys, if you hit your goal already today, which half the people in the room have, stay small and let's hang up. Let's hang out. This could be a very good day, all right? Coin is a buy, guys, if we can get a pullback. So coin, we want to get in a trend trade if we spike down to like 284.70. Let's put that out. I like it. 284.70. Coin, trend trade. 284.70. Laka. So all these stocks that are flying up, we want to try to get in it when they pull back. Yeah, I mean, look, let's see if Palantir goes sideways here a little bit. It's acting okay. I like the 2040 still for a trade. It's fine. What's Roblex doing? Yeah, kind of just hanging. I still like that short. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Tesla 603 pivot point. Let's look. Okay, so you guys, you can see, right, how nice a short this would have been, Tesla, if we got to 619. Yeah, I mean, you got 603 as the pivot point. You got 600. You got 596. Yes. In Palantir, Buffalo? Yes, it was. And Tesla. Like I said, guys, a lot of people in my room are well done for the day and hit 2 and 3 times their goals already. Peloton is a better buy on a pullback. Yes, you got 85.50, 85.30. And again, guys, if I don't put all the orders out, if I tell you it's good, it's good. Okay? See how Palantir might just rest here a little bit? Keep going. But I do like that short. That would be really stretched out. So bottom line, guys, Palantir gets to 2040. Be out of your entire swing trade. Okay? End the story. Take $4 in one day. Sometimes swing trades take a couple of days. If we're really good, they take a couple of hours, which is what we're hoping for. But some of these stocks just got ridiculous this morning. They were just way overdone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm holding 160 shares at 55.09. When did this thing ever get to 55.09? Yeah, I mean, this is, again, guys, it's not the market that's killing you. It's these. You can't get caught in these hype stocks, right? Nobody in my room will ever get involved in something like this. Ever. You know, you just got to be careful with that stuff. We don't get involved in the meme stocks or those high crazy flyers until our technical analysis tells us to. Boom chakalaka laka. All right, good. I would clear out of all the Palantir also, guys. I still want to short it if we get up to 2040 quickly. But the swing trade, come on. $3.50? Crazy. Okay, guys, anyone who bought our course last week is able to come into the room this week. We'll talk later. All right? I'll get you to log on and password. Let's just see if we can keep trading here a little bit. Nah, Roblex got closed. Cancel coin. That ain't happening. I'm giving Palantir another minute. See if we can get up there. The longer it takes to get there, the less I like the trade. So let's see what happens. But guys, everybody, it should be out. Best day I ever had trading in 20 minutes. Good. Everybody should be out of Palantir. We'll try to buy back a dip, but $3.40 is a good trade for the day. Labu. I would have liked 56.40 if we went right there. Yes. $50, Labu. Oh, my goodness. Not yet, Buffalo. We're working on switching things over. We're still fine in the room. Bottom line is everybody can see my order box. We're good. That's all we have to worry about for 9. But we will switch over eventually. In space short. In space short. Why are you in space short? 1738 is the spot. 1738 is the spot. It depends on where you got in, Igor and Pelotar. I don't know where you guys are in. Tell me where you're in. You're in at 23? No, I wouldn't get out. No, it's just starting to show a little life. All right, cancel that. It's not getting there in Pelotar. But again, when you guys get in these trades at horrible price, well, look, I can't tell anybody what to do. Okay? I can't tell anybody what to do that did stuff before, I got involved in it. But just as a general rule, if you guys are in stocks at 23 and they go to 16 or 17 or 15, you got to buy more stock if you can. It's called averaging in. You have to. And you got to be taught the proper way to do that, which we do. Yeah, Space, you got a good shot of getting back to 18. Yes. Coin trend trade. All right, let's look. All right. Yeah. So what do we got? 285 and basically 284 in coin. We can do them both small, right? Very small. I like the day trade stocks. I don't mind bag holding. I hear you, Buffalo, but even when you're bag holding, there's ways that you can get around it by adding to horrible positions at the right places. All right. All right. I'm going 284 in coin. If we can get a quick spike down there. 284 is the trend. I will do it small. Yep, we'll give it a shot, Julian. Yes, Plug got absolutely decimated this morning, and it's doing what every one of these stocks is doing, right? So Plug, again, I'm not in a hurry to short these things. No, look where this stock has come down from, Plug. Right? I mean, it's down from $29 in 5 days. So unless it gets really stretched out, I'm not in a hurry to short them. They're better buys. Yes, you use technical levels to add when you're in the bag. Yes. Again, I want to buy Plug. Look, we could short it here and try to make 20 cents on it. That's not our game, right? It's a better buy. Dotted line or pivot points. I can explain that in a little bit also. So I don't want to short something to try to make 20, 30 cents. I want it to pull back so I can buy it and make $2, $3, right? It's not worth it. Roblex, this thing is taking forever. I'm canceling that too for now. Baidu, super stretched. Let's take a look. All right. Well, let's definitely start at 187, right? 80, Baidu, guys and gals. Gotta like that, Gus, no? 187.80. Oh, that's the VWAP, Adam. And when we slow down a little bit, I can talk to you guys about all that stuff. All right. Baidu, 187.80 short. That is the pivot point, and it'll be really stretched out. Yeah, this dotted pink line is VWAP. We can talk about that in a little bit. Steve, what's the 200 is a brick wall? I mean, Labu was the swing this morning at $50 frickin'. All right, Labu, 58.60. That's the short, guys. Be up $8 from the low. Oh, my God. What a wacky day. You just had to close your eyes and buy in size this morning. But not easy to do. 58.65 Labu. All over it. If that gets up there fast, I'm going to be aggressive in Labu. Coin coming in. All right. So we got 284 and 283.50 in coin. Doing both of them small. So I'll have 50 shares. 284 and 283.50. This pop down, please, if you're going to do it. We're trying to trend trade. Palantir. Yeah, Palantir's a trend trade if we can get a pullback. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. See, all stocks pull back, even the ones that are really strong, right? 2040 would have been a great short in Palantir. We just missed the coin. All right, let's go down to 283.50 then. We just missed coin at 284. So let's leave 283.50 out. Regular moving average trade. Yeah. And you know what it is, Buffalo. All right? When everybody's shitting in their pants is the best time to just close your eyes and buy. Not always the easiest thing to do, but yes, we can sell puts in Mara. Absolutely. What's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, rallying a little bit. I think the place to sell the puts in Mara, though, was early this morning when it opened up. Stock was $22, right? $22. Well, look, we just missed coin by 20 cents. It went up $1.20, right? It got to 284.20. Damn. What is the premium on 15 puts? Psycho. I like that. Oh, you got to be kidding me in coin, guys. We were bidding 284. Look at that. We missed it by 17 cents. It went up $3. 17 cents. Kiss my Tuchus and Macy's window. Roblex. All right. I had canceled that, but okay. Try to get 50 cents and give it a 50-cent stop. Again, keep your eyes on my order box, guys. All right. It's up $2. Should get a little pullback here in Roblex. Let's see what happens. I do not trade Dogecoin. I can give you levels in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I do not trade Dogecoin. Labu. All right, I like Labu, guys, 58.65. That's going to be really stretched up there. Do it. Do it. Do it. 50, 60 cents for the 18 strike. All right. I like that. Can't short Labu. Can anyone else not short Labu? If nobody can short it, I'm not going to do it. If nobody can. Cancel Baidu. That ain't happening. No, 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 no. All right. Most people can't short Labu. All right. You can? All right. A couple of people can. All right. I'm leaving it out at 58.65. Whoa. NVAX, guys. A little short at 139.60 NVAX. Forget about it. Just blew right through. All right. Again, this is just a time to relax. Let's just take it easy. I have no idea what this market's going to do. All right? Wackadoodle. I mean, you got 139.60. It's kind of hanging here. Yeah, I had canceled the Roblex, guys. So, again, keep your eyes on my order box. Please. Keep your eyes on my order box. All right, we're in a little lab boo 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 at 58.60. Let's see what the next move is. We'll give it a little room. Not going to panic out of this. It's getting a little stretched up here. Almost far from moving average territory. Give it a minute to percolate. Let's cover a little at 58.40 if it goes in that direction, just to get a little trade. If. This thing's all over the place. If it breaks 58.40, it'll start heading back down a little bit. Let's see what happens. Give it a minute. Palantir trend trade. $18.50. I like Palantir. $18.50. Give it a little room. All right, in Labu, gonna have like a 59 stop. Keep it tight. If it doesn't turn from here and stays strong, you know, this thing could be wackadoodle at times. So only gonna risk like 30 bucks. It's not breaking 58.40 yet. Give it a little room. Baidu trend trade. Things are staying strong. I would wait a little bit and buy. Let's see what the next move is. Coin, coin, coin. I mean, coin, I would wait now to like 280, 360 maybe. Let's see. Is the market coming in a little bit? All right, we got a little Labu at 58.40. 58.05, guys. Labu, get out. 58.05. And out. Boom, chaka-laka laka. There we go, Labu, guys. Nice trade. Oh, you guys probably couldn't even get out yet. There you go. Boom. Take your dollar in Labu, guys. Holy mackerel. I guess that was a good spot to short. Yes, lovely, lovely. But get out. Take your profits. You just got $1 in Labu. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Next, Peloton. Nah, Peloton's a bloody mess. Don't worry about Peloton. See, guys, everything's just a trade. It's a trade. It's a trade. It's a trade. Coin, we got 283.60. That would have been nice. It actually hit the trend coin, but I don't know. Let's give coin a minute. Yeah, guys, this is what we do. This is trading. Okay. Again, the long-term stuff takes care of itself. This is trading. I think we had 5 trades this morning, and they all worked. So it's trading. It's trading. It's trading. I want to be patient now. Let's see what the next move is in these things. Well, you know we love coin at 281, right? If we can get a smack-a-dacka down there. So let's just keep our eyes on it now. Now, what you guys have to realize is that, you know, when you get to the point where you have a decent-sized account and you're a little more experienced and you're trading 1,000 shares every time we do one of these trades, you know, you're up $4,000 today. More. Netflix. All right. Again, ladies and gents, everybody in both rooms, I am not in a hurry now. Everybody making money this morning in my room? Talk to me, gooses. Everybody should be having a fantastic day. Great morning, great morning, great morning, great morning. Julian, finally. NVAX was great. Indeed. Even, but it's user error. Roblex. Let's look at Roblex. I don't know. Let's wait in Roblex. I like 72.80. We got to short that, right? Steve, no trades yet? All right. Lou's taking off the week. That's a nice. I would too. Get out of here. All right. 72.80 Roblex. Good. Keep your eyes on my orders, guys. 72.80. I tried to join class with Money Management Lab, but I could not get the webinar to work. Yeah, sometimes you have problems with that, kitten. Just remind me when we're done. I will go over how everybody can get in the room. P.S., guys and gals, I think this is the last week that I can have people in a room. My room is full just about, and I do not want to have a room with 200 people in it or 150 people. NVAX, I don't know. You want to try 137 in NVAX, Dana? That looks okay. Think or Swim is for my charts, Sam, and Interactive Brokers is for my trading. So one is for my charts, which everyone in my room uses. Okay. And then this is my brokerage account where I enter my trades and stuff. How many pre-market entries today, Dave? 2 of them, Palantir and Tesla, were the pre-market entries today. Palantir and Tesla. Palantir at 1650, Tesla at 579. And, you know, that's just a matter of preference. Coin, well, we're sitting on the 284 right here. So if you had the 65 out, I guess you're okay, right? What was it? Wow, 283.66 was coin, guys. So if you got that on the 65, you know, just try to have a break-even stop now and see if you can get a buck or two out of it. But we break here, we're going to go 281. We got to like that, right? Coin, we'll do it small at 281. Coin's a tough stock to trade, guys, because it's got a dollar spread now. I'm going to recommend not trading coin anymore. I'm not crazy about the spread. If you got it here, offer some at 285. It's a dollar spread, so offer some at 285. I have people in Canada that are using other charts. Again, something else we can talk about before I get out of here today. Tesla 612, maybe. Maybe. Baidu VWAP. Let's look. Yeah. I mean, we couldn't get the Baidu short. Things are starting to come in a little bit, guys. Are you guys in a hurry? I'm not in a real hurry. I don't know. I like Baidu 180, 110. We're down $5, right? I like that. Everybody should have cut their size, guys. All right. Everybody who got our trade this morning should not be in a hurry to do anything. 180, 110 Baidu. Let's do it. I like that. That's good. That is our regular trend, and we'll be down $5. Coin. Yeah, I just don't like it, guys. Stay away from coin for the rest of the day. I don't like it. NVAX, you got a little at 137? No way. Are you kidding me, Roy? Nice freaking job. So Roy was watching NVAX, pulled back and exactly hit the trend at 137. Gave a $3 trade. Wow. Great job, Roy. Holy crap. Nice. PLTR. Yeah, again, same thing with Palantir. I'm not in a hurry to run back into this thing. I'm not. 1850. You know, 1820 was the daily level in that. It got below it, but I might not mind starting a swing trade back in that again, guys, at 1820. You know what I'm saying? That could be the spot, because if we go look, that was the weekly level. $18.20. Do I put at when your room gets filled up, will you still do morning shows on Benzinga? Yes. Yes, I will, Dylan. Now, if you want more to hold, if it gets down to that 1820 level, that's where I'd be looking. Buffalo. Coin. I don't know. I kind of don't think I want to trade that anymore today. I mean, look, you're asking me, we should get a bounce off 281. I mean, you should. It's straight down $5. I just hate the spread. You know? All right, let's try it small. We'll try it with, I'm going to try it with 25 shares. I just got below it and missed it. Oh, now I got it. Let's see what happens. Again, I hate this trading this stock, but if it's going to bounce, it should bounce from here, but you don't know. You don't know with this thing. So, I mean, it's got to get above like 280, 150 to start going back up. So sell a little at 281.50 if we can. And let's sell the balance at 282.10 if we can. Should get a little more of a bounce from here, right? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, we're out. Very nice. All right. Good little trading coin. We'll take it. I mean, if we were going to get a bounce, it was off 281. Nice job. So we got $1, 50 cents and $1. Little icing on the cake for this morning. Boom, chakalaka laka. Cancel Baidu, cancel Roblex. Now we're going to relax. We're going to relax. We're going to relax. Roblex giving it up a little bit. Yeah, probably gave a far from moving average trade up there. All right, guys and gals, okay? Those of you who are in Benzinga, right? Okay. Whoever's watching, guys, post greenroom-live.com. And this is only for people who purchased the course last week. I'm going to give you 5 free days in the room. All right? You can start today. There you go. Go to greenroom-live.com, use password green15, download Webinato, and enter the room. All right? That's only for the people who bought the course last week. And what we'll do is when we're done today, if anyone purchases the course today, I'll also give you 5 days in the room. All right? So anyone who's purchased the course gets 5 days in the room. Anyone who purchases today gets 5 days in the room. All right? Baidu, we canceled Baidu. Look at my screen, Dan. Guys, the most important thing you should be looking at is my screen. Okay? But I kind of like it. You guys, Gus, you like Baidu? 181.10, you want to give it a shot? Unless the whole market's coming in. I don't know. What do you think, Gus? What do we wait? 179.75. You're buying Baidu now? I think we got to try 181.10. Let's do it small. Let's pop down. Give it a crack. We'll give it a shot. Lincoln took a shot once. Now or never, Baidu. All right, we got it. Got a little Baidu 181.10. Still a little at 181.45 if we go in that direction. Try to get a trade. You know, we got to give this 50, 60 cents. Yeah, if we get above 181.50, it starts bouncing a little bit. That's what it's got to get above now. What's the market doing? Yeah, the market's sitting on a little support right here too. So this is going to trade with the market, guys. If the market goes down from here, this is going down. So that's why we did it small. I will have a 180.50 stop in Baidu. 180.50. So risking 50 cents. You see how the spiders are keep going down here? All right? Tough to get things to bounce if the market's not going to bounce. So keep it tight, risking $25. If the market got any bounce here at all, the stock would give us 50, 60 cents on it. But market's getting weak. It's getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. So we got to keep our eyes on the market when we're trading. You see how weak the market's getting? I mean, I like Baidu here, but you got to just, you know, if the market's going to get smacked down from here, you can't stay in things. Roblex. Yeah, again, let's be careful, guys. All right? Let's be careful. The market's coming in. So we got to be careful. See what the next move is in these things. No, there's no volume. Everything's kind of just sitting here. Not doing much of anything. Can I start my 5 days next week? Yes, you can start your 5 days next week. Whatever works for you. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know why the market got so weak all of a sudden, but it's bouncing a little bit now. 50-cent win on space. What did he do in space? Where'd you get space? I don't even know where you got it. It's kind of hanging here. Where'd you get into space? The final frontier. 1680. You've shorted at 1680. Shorted at 1680. Shorted at 1680. Now the market's bouncing a little bit. Oh, bought at 1630, sold at 1680. You're getting a bouncing Baidu now. All right. Would have loved to see Baidu get down to, all right, should be out of Baidu at that 40. See what the next move is. Can I start my 5 days next week? Steve is making money today. Guys, Steve in my room is making money today. Let's send up a flare. Nike's a better short than buy. I don't like Nike here. Look for levels on the downside. 2 in a row for Steve. Nice. All right, Baidu, I would flatten out Baidu up here at 180, 180, guys. Yep. Flatten her out. Got 40, 50 cents. Got in too high for space. You're not alone. A lot of people got in too high in space. Not alone. Space, Riot, Mara, Plantier, all of them. Couldn't get the pullback in Plantier, you son of a beeswax. Oh, you stink on ice. I'm not trading options. We do trade options, Lauren, every once in a while. We do. If I want to get into a position, I might sell puts and calls. Disney double bottom. Almost not early enough for a Disney double bottom, Ken. You know? It hasn't been an hour in between the first low and the second low. DDD. Let's take a look. DDD is an uptrend, guys and gals. So you want to be long DDD. If it pulls back, it's got room to like 24.50. DDD looks okay to me. Yeah, I'm not into the altcoins. Just did a buck on Baidu, got a quick $2,000. Wow. Very nice. Spicy meatball on Baidu. In 181, out 182. 2K for Mr. Roy on that trade. Roy, you're having a good day, right? Never trade skills. Yes, we have traded skills. There's another one that people got caught in, right? Yep, $20 down to 12. Sick. Well, let's see where we are on the daily. This could be the first day up in skills. if you buy skills now, your stop is the 1320 that it just made. Yeah, that's the whole thing, CR, right? For what we're doing, I don't care. We get the best action when the market goes down. That's the bottom line. When things are moving down, that's when we get the best action. And, the pattern has been whenever we really get sold down, especially early in the morning, the market just rips right back up every single time. Every time. For the last year anyway. NVAX. Dead now. Baidu. Dead. Apple. Dead. I think nothing, Antsy, in Apple. I like Apple around the 119 level. That would be a good spot. It's tested that a few times lately, but it's also our weekly level, a daily level, I think. Let me see. Yeah, right around 119 Apple. So the last two earnings reports Apple had, all the stock did is go down, right? That's all it did. Fantastic earnings. That's why you don't fall in love with stocks. Coin, nice rip off those levels. Oh, wow. Yeah, I mean, look, we made our trade in coin, right? If you held it, you could have made $3. But we made our trade. Is what it is. Hit my goal. Chris hit his goal. Yes. Veru. I'll help you out with that, Hugo. No, I don't trade Veru. No. Okay. So for everybody who's joining us in Benzinga, I have 4 moving averages that we use. 9 and 15, 65, and 200. Then we have our pivot points, these dotted lines, and my relative strength. That is it. That's all we have in here. And anytime I put up a chart, I'm looking where my trading opportunity is based on my technical analysis. And this is all in the course, guys. 6 hours in this course that we're going to talk about in a little bit. It's all there. 6 hours. And we have every Thursday night we get together for mentorship forever. And we've made it 20% off for Benzinga people. So we'll talk about it before I'm ready to go. Yeah, I mean, the course is spectacular, and you get me every Thursday night. So, and I'm going to give everybody a free week. Yes, Igor, you can get a free week in the room. Let me tell you if we can or not. Anyone have any idea how many people are with us in Benzinga right now? Anybody? 100, 200, 300, 400, 103. All right, cool. So if I can get 100 likes, I'll let everybody come in. Someone said 380, 384. Good. I need 200 likes. Smash the button, and we'll give everybody who purchases the course a free week in the room. Hit my goal, Yahoo. Coin, nice rally. One of the best things about the room, and guys, my trading room is completely separate from the course. One has nothing to do with the other. It's a completely separate ballgame. And like I said, I don't have a lot of room left. So guys, ask me questions and stuff while we're here for a little more bit. Pins on the 15. Pins. My main goal is to help others and smoke less weed. Again, everything's kind of slowing down here now, guys. I'm not crazy about pins. It's 10:30 and we got no volume. Yes, go. Leave. Please. Those of you who have hit your day, just get out of here. It's not, I can tell everybody this, guys. Okay? It's not going to get any better than this hour. You know that. I tell you that all the time. It's not going to get any better than this hour. So, if you had a good morning, get out of here. BTX. Yeah, we like the trend in BTX. Let's take a look. I know this stock can be wackadoodle at times, right? The spread's good, though. All right, let's get a little BTX on the 9 EMA at 35.40 if we get there. I like that. Waka waka. You got 35.40 and 34.40. So we'll try 35.40. Boom, boom, boom. That is a trend trade. Down from $38. We should get a bouncy bounce. Do I accept Doge coins for your course fees? We might, OP. I'll find out for you. I know in the course we teach a little bit about Bitcoin and all that stuff. NVAX VWAP. Yeah, that would have been good if we got right there, Steve. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. SPY. SPY has to hold this low. Wow, why did the SPYs just go down 2.5 points, guys? Holy crap. SPYs were just 415 20 minutes ago. Anybody see anything in the market? So, wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Something just happened. So here's the spot we're looking for in the spiders, guys. 409.44. That is our weekly 9 EMA. 409.44. That would be spectacular. And look at that. It happens to be our pivot point also. That's whack. All right. Let's leave a marker out in the spiders at 409.50 just in case. A while. Did anybody see anything? Did a number come out or something at 10:30? It's crazy. Leaving a marker at 410 in the spiders. No, the VIX is going to go up when the market goes down. So the market leads the VIX, not the other way around. Oh, VIX was shortened at 43.27. I might even swing that up there. Unemployment benefits are not the main issue with labor supplies, vaccine, calendar. It's been a great volatile day. This is incredible. I wish every day was like this. 43.20. VIXy, we are shorting. Unless we have a flash crash. The Fed speaking? All right. Yeah, CPI. Did that come out at 10:30 maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Whatever it is, we're continuing, which is good. I know. Everything crapped to bed all of a sudden. I'm not looking to buy trend trades now, guys. All right? Be careful. This market keeps going down. Everything's going down. So why do we want to buy stocks? I'd rather keep my hands in my pockets for a little bit after this morning, right? Give me levels, guys. Give me levels. But the whole market's crapping to bed. VWAP is volume weighted average price. All that means is, and we only use it if we don't as another moving average. Volume weighted average price just means it's the average price that stock traded for the entire day. That's all. Again, yeah, I mean, I like Tesla at 602, but are we going to hold these levels? Right? That's the question. Anything you're going to try, guys, try very small right now. That's the only thing I can suggest. Because we're getting bagel schmeared a little bit right now. So I'm not in a hurry to buy anything. Yes, now, Baidu, what's 219.62, Ken? I like it if we go down there. Yes. Yes. I mean, to me, guys, there's some kind of newsy thing that happened in this market or something. I don't know. That's a daily 200 in Boeing? I love it then. Let me look. Yeah, 219.65. That ain't getting there. That's down $6 from here. Not going to happen. You know what's going to happen like always does? We'll get little bounces in the market now. Everything will go up a little bit. Then it'll just sit and do nothing. That's what's going to happen. Usually what happened. NVIDIA. All right, let me ask everybody a question, especially in Benzinga. Any of you guys ever have a stock that you've never made money in, no matter what you tried to do? Anybody? Well, NVIDIA is that stock for me. I don't think I've ever made a winning trade in NVIDIA, so I just keep it off my radar. Yeah, we all have them, right? I mean, I look and I'll give you levels and stuff, but I think I've made 50 trades in NVIDIA and lost on 49. I just hate it. I hate it. It's great stock. It's a great company, Rich. I'm talking about for trading. Trading, it just never worked for me. Don't ask me why. It's just one of those things. Yeah, everybody has them. And then you try to get your money back because that stock owes you money and it gets 50 times worse. Right? Again, Donkey Kong, if we get a green bar from here, I might buy a little, Alfredo. Otherwise, I want to wait and see how we play out here. So you get a green bar, you can buy a little with a tight stop. And that's basically how I play everything right now. If things, I mean, look, the market's just getting smacked again, right? I don't know why. VIX's still going up. So here's the gig, guys and gals, right? It's a pretty big level in the spiders at 410. Because, you know, that again, this is normal. This is nothing, right? This is a normal pullback just to our 9 EMA, which if you look, this whole year we've held that, right? We never even tested the 15 except once. Now, our 15 EMA is 402. So, you know, if we break whatever that is, 409.25, the next real spot we have is 401.50. Do I think we should get a decent bounce off 409.25? Yes. Absolutely. Will I short VXX for a trade if we get to 409.25? Yes. Absolutely. It's not blood, Buff. We're due for a little pullback. That's all. Due for a pullback. Not blood. It's not. Wow. Yeah, coin is staying strong. As far as I'm concerned, Bitcoin's staying strong too. There's no such thing as blood in the stock market. It's just opportunities. That's all. That's all it is. Market doesn't crash. It gives you opportunities to get back in at better prices. But net, we would do for a pullback. I'd like to see a correction. How about that? I would love to see a correction in the spiders down to 356. That's what I would like to see. You know, then we're going from 422 to 366 to 356. That's 44, 60 points. You're talking about a 15% correction. This is a 15% correction. I'd love to see that. I don't think we will, but I'd love to see it. That's 15%. We haven't had one of them in a long time, right? Sold the coin. Excellent, Jim. Did you get it at 281 down where we bought it? Well, Scoob, that's the whole thing. We're going to teach you that you don't buy into these crazy hyped stocks at ridiculous prices, which is what a lot of people did, right? So, you know, you don't do it. That's the thing. You just don't do it. Yeah, it would be. You know, we have a whole generation of traders who started in the pandemic and all they did was buy stocks, and it worked for a while, right? But a lot of them are still holding those stocks or their accounts got wiped out already. Yeah, that's it, Scoob. And I'm not saying, you know, it happens. It happens. Beyond trend. Again, guys and gals, I'm not in a hurry to do trend trades. Just not. Oh, I see some of you guys already snuck over to my room. That is only for people who purchased the course. Come on, we're on the honor system here. Yeah, you're all sneaking in now. Oh, we try. try to do things honestly. Yeah, you could try a coin double top short. It certainly fits, right? 290, 270. I would definitely try that. Yes. So this is one of the patterns we look for. It's a double top, right? Stock went to 292, went down 12 points. Been 30 minutes in between. We shorted at 292 again. Yes, yes, yes. No problem, Scoob. That's fine. I started trading in December, lost 40% of my portfolio on growth getting it. Yeah, I hear you, Del. Well, here's the gig also, okay? Even when I'm getting into a longer-term investment trade, Dylan, or one of these crazy stocks, you start with your smallest amount, right? And the big mistake a lot of people made was jumping into these higher-priced stocks, but going all in one shot. You don't do it. Even on longer-term investments, you buy a little bit at a time, and that gives you ammo. So when things like this happen in the market, which isn't even a correction yet, it's a tiny little pullback, you're able to add to those trades, right? There's some people in Plug that were telling me they were in it at whatever, 18, whatever it was, 20, 23, 24, whatever, 30. You know, and then you get days like this and you have some ammo left and you can add at 17 and it lowers your cost significantly. So you don't shoot all your bullets at one time. That's just it. Yeah, I mean, this is another one, QS, right? QS was $132. I mean, come on. Really? Any investment guy will tell you that you don't go all in one shot, period. It's just a recipe for disaster. And we're still going in spite of this. Let's go. Give me that 409.50. Do it. I'm definitely, guys, we're going to short a little VIX if the spiders get to 409.50. Wherever that is for a trade. We'll start anyway, small. Yeah, and then a lot of people have these stocks much cheaper, right? I know people who have Palantir at $6 and $8 from the IPO and pre-IPO, right? But when that happens and you have 10 times your money, you got to take profits too. Nothing goes up forever, right? It just doesn't. NEO maybe 32.80, maybe. NOC. I would not mess with a $370 stock right now. Well, that's what I'm saying, Caleb. And a lot of people thought these stocks were going to just go up forever. I mean, think about it. I wanted to do a long-term trade in Palantir today, right? Well, we bought it at $16.50 and my guy sold it at $20. Guess what? That's long-term enough for me. Hopefully it'll pull back and we'll get in it again. Did I expect that to work in one day? Of course not. Did it? Thank you very much. Same thing with Tesla at 578 this morning, right? But there's bulls, bears, and pigs. Think about it. We paid $16.50 and sold it at $19.50. That's 20%. Where do you make 20% in one day on an investment? Well, again, Dylan, are you talking about trading or are you talking about investing? Right? That's it. They're two different things. Labu holding. Yeah, Labu's fine. You know, if you're young, you pick the things you like and you just, again, you got to pick the right ones. That's the bottom line. You got to pick the right ones, but you should always be fully invested in the market when you're young and add to it whenever we have bad pullbacks. That's it. What do I tell everybody? Okay. It's not my saying, but it's not how much money you make. Anyone want to finish it for me? Well, we picked it this morning, Brett, at $16.50. That's where I liked it long term. It's not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep. That is a huge lesson for everybody out there, right? Your P&L doesn't mean anything unless you're out of the trades. No, I still like the VIXY. Yeah, it pulled back now. Let's cancel it for now. Cancel it for now. All right. No orders for the moment, guys and gals. Let me just use the little boys' room for 1 minute. Then we will come back and we'll talk about the course for everybody and getting everybody into the room. All right. Everybody in the trading room happy? Give me some number ones. Anyone in Benzinga get a couple of bananas off our trades today? Give me some ones. Good. A lot of people are still learning. Really don't know what they should be doing yet, but that's good. All right. Give me 5 minutes. We'll come back. We'll talk about the course. And then we'll probably do this. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah, we'll probably do it again Thursday. All right. Give me 5 minutes. That's all right, Joe. You should be paper trading soon. You know what? Let me talk about that a couple of minutes before I leave. Right? Even with all these meme stocks, I saw the best one ever yesterday, a coin stock, right? It was called D's Nuts. To me, when I see D's Nuts as a new coin, maybe it's getting a little overdone. There was a new coin called D's Nuts. I mean, come on now, guys. Really? And it probably has a $1 billion market cap now, right? I'll tell you, if you're trading those things, just trade them. You can't think that, Dogecoin is going to $5. But if you buy 1 million shares at 8 cents, you're stupid if you don't sell it at 70 cents, right? I mean, they're trades. And I'm not talking about Bitcoin itself, right? Bitcoin, I love Bitcoin long term. All right, that's different. I like that. I'd like to see it come in 50% like it does usually once a year, right? But, it's here to stay. Ethereum got way overdone on one of our charts on the daily, and it had a little pullback. Still looks great. So I'm talking about the meme coins. If you're going to trade those, do just that. Yeah. So there you go, 2,000%. Trade them. Trade them, trade them. Joe would trade these nuts. Yeah, you buy low, you sell high. I bought at 8, sold at 55 and 60. There you go. I mean, that's what you do. That's what you do. All right, I got to use the boys' room. Give me 5 minutes, guys, and then we'll talk a little bit before we leave. Back in 5.
What is up, y'all? It's producer AB here. We're waiting for David to get back. He'll be back. What are some tickers in the chat we're looking at this morning? Where I've been, AB? I've been here. I've just been hanging. I'm the one throwing the tickers up on there. It's throwing up. All right, let's go to Neo. It's the first one I saw. All right. Ooh, Neo had a nice little. What are we looking at? Okay, I got the 2-day pulled up. So let's see, went all the way down to 30, bounced back up to 33. It's a pretty good move right there. That's not bad. I want to pull it out real quick and look at a longer chart though. 1 second. Oh, David, our fearless leader is back.
Our fearless leader is back. Yes.
I commandeered your screen. It's me, Aaron here.
Ruh-roh.
Threw up Neo. Someone in the chat wanted to look at. What do you see in Neo right here?
Let's take a peek.
Here, I'll get your screen back up.
All righty. So whenever anyone asks me about any stock, right, first thing I do is go to the daily chart because that's going to give me a lot of information. So I go to the daily chart. All right. So stock has been absolutely horrendous for a long time, right? So we have one green day here. Let me go weekly. Ugly. So on my weekly chart, right, 30.50 would have been a beautiful spot to get in this trade. All right, it didn't get there. So if I'm looking at it now on a daily chart, if there is a lot of people I know like this stock, they want to get in this stock, fine. Here's my gig now. If you get in this stock now, if it makes a new low below this 32.20, that's your out. So if you're looking longer term in Neo and you want to get in now, you can't stay in it if it breaks 32.20 because chances are if it breaks that, okay, we're going to 30.50. So to me, this is still a horrible looking chart, certainly on the weekly. But at least there's something to shoot against now if you like the stock. You know, that's your out. If it makes a new low again, you're out of the trade. Period. It's the same with all these stocks that, hold on, let me just look at BTX. Whoa. Look at BTX, guys. Look what that stock just did. That's why when people tell me technical analysis doesn't work, I like to laugh in their face, right? How many trades have you guys seen just this morning? And I know the last time we were on, we had like 6 or 7 winning trades in the morning also, that have gone down and hit one of our levels and just stopped going down and started going up. I mean, this stock went from 38.50 and a minute ago hit 33. And that was our 65 EMA telling us to buy it. And it gave you $1 in about 30 seconds. Is that crazy? That's crazy, right? Insane. I mean, Tesla was another one that was just insane this morning. You know, the stock is not going to keep going down. This might have been one of our best trades in a long, long time this morning. Pre-market, Tesla hit $578 and our level was $579.60. And the stock went from, think about this, $900 to $579 and hit a beautiful support level. And give you a nice $30 trade. SPY didn't get the 410, did it? Nope. Right? So we had a little marker in SPY at 410, guys. Look at this. It got to 410.06. And that's where I wanted to short VXX. And this stock went from 42 to 41. Again, it's just all about technical analysis. That's it. Plug high of day. All right, you know, plug's a nice short, steady one that finally found the bottom and it's bouncing a little bit. It's a better buy than sell. Mara. Mara's dead. It's sitting in the middle of everything. So generally speaking, guys, once you have all your technical analysis up, right, which I told you what it was, and anyone who buys the course, guys, is 6 hours long that we curated. It covers everything from the language of the stock market to option swing trading and cryptocurrency. But it tells you how to set up your charts. It tells you how to put all this information in it. It shows you how to actually make the trades, right? But once you have all your charts set up and stuff, all I'm looking for is my lines on a chart. I'll make it as simple as possible to tell me where to maybe buy and sell stocks, right? That's what I'm looking for. So in Mara, I got nowhere to sell it till 26.50, and I got nowhere to buy it until 22.29. I mean, that's it. It's sitting right in the middle of everything, which most stocks are going to be doing now, right? AMC is not a stock I'll ever trade. You know, this stock was going out of business before COVID, and it's probably going to go out of business after COVID. But again, that's just my opinion. I don't want anyone trading on anything like that. XONE. Let's see where we are on the daily. So again, right to the daily chart. And this is, again, a horrible looking stock that's getting a little bounce today. Right? Doesn't look good long term at all. You know? Spiders. Yeah, we had a beautiful bounce in the spiders. So the trend in the spiders now, right? You know, I would probably short for 1280. Be a little patient. Let it get up to our VWAP. And that would be the trend trade now. So I'd probably short a little at 412.80. But here's what I was telling everybody. Right? Look how close we came in the spiders. Look how close we came in the spiders to hitting our level that we talked about. The level on the weekly chart, look at this, was 409.40. It missed it by 50 cents. Right? So if this could have got down to our 409.50, 410, we're up $2 on that trade already. And that was just a nice normal pullback to the 9 EMA. Now, I'm not saying we can't go back down there later today, but look how beautiful the technical analysis worked, right? I mean, just gorgeous. Spectacular. Short the QQQs. Maybe a double top in the Qs. Everybody in the room, do you guys all see how everything's trading? And in Benzinga, everything's trading in the middle of everything right now, okay? There's no such thing as making easy money trading, but the easier money is gone. That was this morning. Now everything is just sitting, and here's what you do now, right? Nothing. You do nothing. That's it. I told everybody 30 minutes ago at 10:30, leave. You had your day. There's nothing better going to happen the rest of today that didn't already happen in the first hour this morning. It's just not. And what is the greatest thing about being a trader, if you're doing it for a living or part-time or whatever it is, right? What's the one commodity in your world that we're never getting back? Someone tell me. We ain't getting it back. It's the one thing that we're never getting back, and that's time, right? That is the most precious commodity in the world. Yes. So what's wrong? I mean, 50% of my room is gone. What's wrong with if you can figure this out? These nuts is the most precious commodity in the world. What's wrong if you can figure this out to a certain extent, right? And work for an hour in the morning and then leave. It happened last time I was with you guys, right? It happened again today. What's wrong with that? Now you go and you enjoy your children and your wife and your girlfriend and golf and swimming and whatever it is. You're here for an hour, right? That's it. That's the best. That's the best thing about trading. Palantir will be over 20. Again, Brett, I like Palantir long term. I like it, right? You put it away. But today was the opportunity to make a lot of money on it. And it was the first pot we popped in. That was it. It's good long term. All right. I want to show you guys something now. Let's talk about the course, okay, and what you're going to get with it. And this is only for people who sign up for the course today, okay? We're going to go to wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com, and they will post that for us. Everybody will see it. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. All right. So let me show you what's involved in the course. So we'll go to our members area and we'll log in. All right. So this is the best thing I've ever done teaching-wise, guys. I did one with Investopedia like 6 years ago, and that course is still selling like hotcakes, but this is 50 times better. So, I mean, we start from the absolute beginning, language of the stock market, different trading accounts, market terms. If you've never, ever traded before, you take this course, you're going to be ready to trade after you go through the course a couple of times. And the best thing about this, guys, is every Thursday night we get together and I answer any questions that you have, and you get that continued mentorship forever, okay? Money management, which most people F up, and that's why they fail in this business. We're going to help you set up your charts, go into the moving averages and stuff. Trading techniques, this is 5 trades that we do, encompasses everything a stock can possibly do. Very important, swing trading, right? We do swing trading quite often. We did it this morning. We teach you how to do those daily and weekly swings and reversal swing trades. A little bit about options and a little bit about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. This is your link. Once you sign up for the course, every Thursday night, you bop on that link at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you get me for an hour, hour and a half every Thursday night. And what we've done for Benzinga people, and this is probably going to be the last week I'm doing this because we're full. So what we're doing for Benzinga people, if you hit enroll now, this is it. You're not going to get a better bang for your buck, guys. I can tell you that right now. 20% off for anybody from Benzinga. So instead of $500, it's $400. You get this forever, and you get me every Thursday night. Anyone who buys the course is invited to come into my room for 5 days. Now, my trading room is completely separate from this. I do a boot camp once a month, and I trade every single day with my traders. That's another fee. It's a whole nother conversation. What I want everyone to do today, if you want, okay, and this is totally up for you, grab the course, come into the room and hang out for 5 days, and then we talk about whatever you want to talk about going forward. Staying in a room. I do a live boot camp once a month where I actually teach this entire course live, and that's included in my monthly fee. So first things first, anyone who wants, grab the course. Anyone who buys the course is welcome to come into greenroom-live.com. Use password green15, download Webinato, and enter the room. I'm on the honor system here, guys, so, you know, buy the course, you got 5 days with me. Don't buy the course, don't sneak in. And we'll keep doing these lives with you guys at least twice a week. Roblex double top. Let me look. Double top. It's hardly been 30 minutes in between. I'm not crazy about the Roblex. Baidu double top. Anybody have any general questions before we get out of here today that I can help you with? We'll give it another couple of minutes to answer a few questions. I know probably got other things lined up with Benzinga today. I hope everybody made a couple of banana skins today. Tips to read futures. I am not a futures trader, Brett. I'll be quite honest with all you guys, okay? I know about stocks, all right? I've been doing this for 35 years. It's the only thing I've ever done. That's it. This is the only thing I've ever done. I am not an expert on options, although we have people in the room who will help you with options. Yes, we will have people in the room that help you with options, 100%. And swing trading, I'm really good at. Dave, I sent you me regarding Thinkorswim in case you didn't get it. Yeah, anyone who comes into my room, Donna, I have a person who will help you with Thinkorswim, get your charts all set up and everything. Yes, 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 yes. My personal email is dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. That's the best way to get in touch with me. My room is open. I open the room 7:30 every day. Start looking for trades. We happen to get a couple this morning. We start with our morning meeting every day at 8:30, where we go over all the stocks that are in action, and we start trading live at 9:30. Yes, Eastern Standard Time, Terry. So 7:30, the room's open. If there's crazy stuff going on, we'll look. 8:30, we have our morning meeting, Eastern Standard Time. 9:30, we start trading the market. Bought the course last week. Great stuff.
All right, David, we've gone a little over today.
Yes, okay. I'm done.
No, I like it. I gave you some extra, I didn't know if we wanted to go that extra 30 minutes, but it looks like the market was still going a little bit.
Yeah, now there's nothing to do.
No, there's nothing. We'll be back after lunch though, right? Make some trades.
Hopefully something happens this afternoon, but quite frankly, I don't care if it does or not.
All right. Well, we'll be back tomorrow morning on the Benzinga channel.
Well, I'll get in touch with you a little bit later today.
Sounds good.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you again.
I don't know. Let's ask, guys. You want me to come back tomorrow? It's up to you guys.
Smash the 1 in the chat if you want David back tomorrow morning. And we got a big CEO interview coming up on SPAC Attack. John Wilkes, CEO of CompuSecure. So that should be.
Day.
I'm sticking around for that.
Excellent. All right. Put us down for tomorrow
David,
morning. We'll be here, Aaron.
I'll talk to you later today, David.
All right. Sounds
All
good.
right, bye-bye.